Hello everyone, my name is Julius Vanderlipidones, 18 and from Block 18. Now we will discuss the advantage and disadvantages of internet in our daily life. The advantages of internet in our life is the information will be clear and napapadali ang pamumuhay natin. Like, we're using internet to watch entertainment or play music to unwind ourselves. But there's some disadvantages of internet because it makes us lazy or naging tamad tayo sa mga bagay na dapat kaya natin gawin pero natututukan tayo ng internet. At may mga nagkakaroon din ng cost na sakit na galing sa internet like pasangit ng mata or hindi napapayaan natin yung kalusugan natin.
Here are some examples of Internet of Things, IoT, in the hospitality industry. In hotels, we have advanced technology that allows for smart rooms. In smart rooms, you can control the lighting, the temperature of the room, and the door locks by using apps connected to all of these features. The travel industry also has many benefits with IoT for enhancing customer experience. By using just their phone, passengers can receive alerts when baggage is nearby, get real-time notifications on flight status, and directions to your gate at the airport. For restaurants, IoT allows for smooth operations for customers and staff. It can remotely manage the kitchen by turning on appliances, allows customers to order from anywhere, and lets customers interact with staff and send requests through wireless transmitters.
Using Internet of Things in our daily life, it's some significant benefits, but there's a concern on it. Like using smart home, like refrigerator, it can manage our groceries before it can run out. Napapatagal niya yung mga buhay or yung tagal ng pagkain para hindi ito masayang. But, meron din mga concern ito like pag may nakukuha tayong microtoxins sa mga pagkain pag napapatagal naman sa refrigerator. And other concern is like our privacy and safety, like if they're hacker, they can use our accounts to blackmail us.